some M&Ms.
Yeah, I need some M&Ms.
One more. So that one's done.
Yeah, and you can do that one now.
Just put this
You gonna do some more blue sprinkles?
There you go.
Shake, shake, shake.
And that one, with all of the frosting. Yeah.
There you go.
Good job.
You got the hang of it now.
and a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
A little bit more.
Here, I'm going to move this out of the way.
Christmas cookies.
And put a little bit more.
Shake, shake, shake. Just real gentle. Who are you making the cookies for?
For Santa Claus.
For Santa Claus. He's gonna love those cookies.
And I can sell with Santa Claus.
Yeah?
I did. And some little bit more.
Okay, just a little bit. Don't go too crazy with the blue.
I'm going to give this snowman a hat and a face, and I'll let you put his buttons on.